Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit integration dashboard. Click on Create Integration, and choose Bitform as the trigger. Then select the specific form that you created with Bitform. Next, choose Slack as the action. Bit integration also offers more than 150 other action options to choose from here. We already have videos and documentation available for setting up Slack integration with Bit integration. You can follow these resources to complete the Slack integration setup. So, enter your Slack access token here. Once the authorization is successful, click Next and proceed to map the form fields. After mapping the fields, click Next and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the specific form that you created with Bitform and submit it. Step 3. Now, open your Slack dashboard and verify that the submitted information has been successfully received as expected. If the test is successful, your Bitform to Slack automation is now live.